This is Chef Zach Townsend with Dallas Chocolate Classes. Few things are more satisfying for a chocolate lover than a perfectly prepared cup of hot chocolate. And there are many creative ways to customize it to suit your own tastes. In this video, I'll show you the steps to my delicious hot chocolate recipe that's my personal favorite. Then cover ways you can customize it to make it even more distinctly yours. First, let's start with the recipe for my decadent hot drinking chocolate I'm sure you'll love. To a small saucepan, add 1 1/4 cups of whole milk and 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Next, toss in 1 to 2 empty vanilla bean pods. These can be fresh pods or dried pods. Warm the mixture to scalding, then set it aside covered to infuse for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, bring it back to scalding. You want to ensure the liquid is hot enough to melt the chocolate, so you need to heat it again after infusing. Strain the hot milk into a heat-proof bowl or beaker to remove the vanilla bean pods. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder into the hot milk and whisk it until it's thoroughly combined. Add 1/3 cup of dark chocolate, 1 1/4 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and a dash of sea salt. Whisk until the chocolate is fully melted and the mixture is a uniform color. You may have to use a spatula to scrape some chocolate off the sides and the bottom. The hot chocolate is now ready. Ideally, you should strain it again to help remove any remaining lumps of cocoa powder. Warm the hot chocolate slightly again if it has cooled. You can now top it off with billowy mounds of softly whipped Chantilly cream. Check the description for an easy recipe that's perfect for this. Now, there are many ways you can customize this recipe to personalize it. First, you can change the original quantities in milk and cream to a different ratio to make the hot chocolate more or less rich. You can also change the milk to a lower fat milk. Next, you can change vanilla beans to other ingredients you like which will add flavor through infusion, such as cinnamon sticks, roasted coffee beans, or strips of orange zest, as some examples. With citrus, you can also just grate the zest into the cream and not strain it out. Another choice is to switch up the cocoa powder. Natural cocoa powder is lighter in color and more acidic. Dutch process can add a deeper roasted flavor. Consider a different type of sugar. You can use turbinado or muscovado sugar, for example, adding a hint of natural molasses flavor in the background. Lastly, you can use different chocolates. You can choose high-quality chocolates which emphasize cacao's distinct natural flavor profiles that suit your preferences, such as chocolates with fruity notes or those with more earthy notes. You can also think about matching the chocolate's flavor with the infusion you choose. Remember, the lower percentage cacao chocolate you choose, the more sugar you're introducing into the hot chocolate, so you may want to reduce the added sugar in the recipe based on your chocolate choice. That's it. Now you have a recipe for a delicious cup of rich drinking chocolate, and one you can continue to customize in different ways. This is Chef Zach Townsend with Dallas Chocolate Classes. Watch more of my videos here. You can take an online or in-person class with me also. Just visit DallasChocolateClasses.com. Leave any comments or questions below this video and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. Oh, be sure to check out the description for more tips and extras.